In pharmaceuticals, consistency isn't just a goal, it's a promise. At Umang Pharmaceuticals, we're your complete solution for advanced pharmaceutical services operating in a fully GMP-compliant facility, meeting the highest global standards. Specializing in engineered pellet technologies including enteric-coated, sustained release, immediate release, delayed release pellets, and taste-masked pellets, we protect sensitive APIs, enhancing patient adherence through smart formulation design. What sets us apart? Total customization. We tailor every detail, particle size, drug loading, release profile, to match your exact formulation needs. Whether it's pharma pellets, neutral spheres, or taste-masked pellets for tablets or capsules, we've got your solution. With decades of expertise and adherence to global quality benchmarks, Umang Pharmaceuticals is your trusted partner, from formulation to market. Partner with us to bring innovation, reliability, and precision into every dose. Visit us online to learn more about our products and capabilities.